Hello everyone, how are you doing today? Welcome to a new week, an exciting week of trading. Um, on Saturday, I looked at some pairs. I looked at the market to predict what will be happening on Monday, and most of them are already happening. Um, if you followed the last video and you executed the trades I predicted, you'll be on profit right now. Let's go over what I said on Saturday first before I predict for today. Um, on Saturday, I predicted for four pairs. This, and this: AUD, NZD, GBP, USD, Bitcoin, and USD CHF. Okay, and I told you on Saturday that immediately price breaks this resistance. Okay, that's the entry. And as you can see, at the opening of market today, yesterday rather, last night, market, the price broke this resistance, and that's the high. I will soon exit this trade. The take profit is at about this point. So it's about 30 pips um, trade, a 30 pips positive trade. Okay, so this worked as planned. Then I also told you about GBP USD. You can check the last video, you see all these things I'm saying now. And I told you that GBP USD started a buy trend. There was a pullback and this is a buy, and that this is the point to enter. At this point where it breaks this resistance, this line is a point to enter, and that it has started. Okay, and I told you that if market opens and there is no jump, that it means it's still good to enter because it will still have to go up. GBP USD will still go up for about 20 pips or so before it will ease, about 15 pips before it will ease for today. GBP USD, GBP JPY, Euro USD, and Euro JPY, they are all on a long-term buy. Okay, that does not mean that we might not see some sell opportunities, but the general bias right now is on a buy trend. On weekly charts, monthly charts, we see a buy bias. Okay, but nevertheless, we just follow the market. Whatever opportunity it provides, we utilize. Okay, so this is also a good one. Um, this this is the candle that broke the resistance. So this is the point of entry, and at this point we have our 46 pips. Bitcoin, I predicted that Bitcoin was going to come down more. It didn't come down that more. I said there's a sell trend and this is a pullback that is going to come down more. So Bitcoin didn't behave too well. It had an emergency spike. Just did an emergency spike there. Um, did an emergency spike here, hunting for people's stop loss, and that so Bitcoin didn't work well as predicted. I was expecting it to come lower than this. I was expecting it got to 9147. I was expecting it to get to 9000, but I didn't get there. Okay. Um, then USD CHF, I told you guys that it's going to fall. Okay. I told you guys that it's going to fall, that it started the trade from here, that this was the signal, and that the entry signal, because there was a sell trend and this was a pullback. This was a pullback, so it's going to fall down, and you can see it falling down. Um, my take profit is at about this point. Okay, so that's that for what I said on Saturday, and three out of four of them worked. So if you had used the same the same risk management, if you have risk, say 2% of your account on this trade, 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 you would have been on plus 4% as we speak. Okay, so the idea is apply good money management. It shouldn't be that if you are right 3 times and you are wrong once, that the once should spoil everything. Okay, if you are right 3 times out of 4, it's a very good grade. So you try to utilize it and make good use of it. So good money management is key. Okay, for today, the pairs I'm looking at. I want to tell you what I'm looking at right now. So you you get ready. Immediately it triggers, I'll make another video and paste it here. Okay. Um, you can see there is a sell trend, and this is a pullback. This is a pullback. If for any reason, although I doubt, because the euro seems to be strong, if for any reason price breaks below this support, if for any reason price forms below this support, then I'm going to enter for a sell. Okay, if for any reason price falls below the support, but like I said, you have to wait for the signal. You just have to wait for it. You follow the opportunity the market creates. Don't rush into it. Don't enter now. Don't enter now. So you wait for price to break this support here, then you go for a sell. So we're looking at using using my money management indicator. Let me reset it. Okay. Um, we'll see. We have this is about the entry. The stop loss should be somewhere there. The take profit should be somewhere there. Okay. Now, if that's the case, you see my tag. I'm risking about 5% of this account with that, and you can see my risk to reward ratio and pips I'm risking and all that. So please apply good money management. Risk a particular portion of your account per trade. You can decide to be risking 2% of your account per trade, 3%, 4%, 5% of your account per trade. Please apply good money management. Is very good. This my money management indicator. I've already dropped it for you guys to get. Um, sorry for the noise. I'm outside. I'm taking cool breeze outside. So if you hear any noise, it's because I'm outside, not inside. Um, then we have okay. So that's that for Eurocard. That's that for Eurocard. Then for Euro JPY, if for any reason price, because you can see it's a sell trend and this is a pullback, if for any reason price forms below this support, if for any reason price forms below the support, I'm going to go down. But like I said, Euro is strong right now, so I doubt it's going to happen. But we'll just watch out to see what will happen. But if price falls below this, it means that the sell trend is continuing and or the selling. Okay, then the last option I'm looking at right now is USD card. There is a buy trend and it's having a pullback. If for any reason price forms above this resistance, okay, it means it wants to continue the buy trend. Then I'm going to use it. Okay, so the three pairs I'm presently looking at, I'm looking at USD card, Euro USD, and Euro card. Okay, then I am this trade. I am in this trade. This is running. I will exit at about this point. Few pips to exit. Then I'm still in this trade. Like I said, it still has about 15 pips. You can still going up. Um, then this trade. I think this should have given me my exit here with this spike while we're doing this video. Okay, So stay tuned. Whenever I see an opportunity, I'm going to paste a video so we can all utilize it. And if you utilize the trade and you are doing it with me, please paste a comment so I can see what you're doing, and others can also see it and get encouraged. Okay. Thank you for your time.